Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw a square plane of side 35 mm which is inclined at 60 degree to VP and perpendicular to HP. One side is inclined at 30 degree to HP and we have to use first angle method. Now the plane is inclined at 60 degree to VP. So first we will draw parallel to VP. So front view will give you true shape and it's the first angle sum. So front view will come up. But we have to draw a square inclined at 30 degree. Why? Because one side is inclined at 30 degree. Actually it should be two sides, but here it was written one side. So you draw a square in front view like this. You draw 30, 60 and you mark distance 35, 35 on it. So we are done with front view. Now we'll draw top view. This is A, B, D, C. This is 60 degree. We'll take this distance and we'll cut it on this. Then we'll take A to B and we'll take A to D. So this is dark. So from A, B, D and C you project line. Same way you project from D dash, A dash, C dash, B dash. So this is A dash. This is B dash. This is D dash. And this is C dash. So this is front view. The earlier one was reference front view and reference top view. Now we have front view, top view. Now for side view, I'll take 45 degree and I will project top view. I'll take all the lines. Wherever it will intersect, from there I'll go up. You project from here D, A, C and B. You draw a line like that. A from here, A dash from here, A double dash. Same for B double dash, D double dash and C double dash. So then you join this, you will get side view. So I hope everyone understood this, how to draw front view, top view, side view of this square plane. Thank you.